Italian Family Visas Explained. This guide makes bringing your loved ones to Italy clear and stress-free. Want your loved ones to join you in Italy? Understanding the family visa process ensures a smooth start together. Spouse visas let you bring your husband or wife to live with you in Italy. Start by obtaining your marriage certificate. For a spouse visa, apply at your local Italian consulate. Submit proof of marriage, legal residency, and a valid passport. Children and dependent relatives must have valid birth or family relationship certificates and be under the required age or status. Parents and elderly relatives may qualify if financially dependent on you. Medical or dependency evidence is often required. Family reunification starts online. Submit a nulla osta request. This is Italy's pre-approval for bringing family members. Gather all required documents: passports, marriage or birth certificates, proof of income, and Italian residence permit. Bring originals and copies to your appointment at the consulate or immigration office for application review. Processing times vary. Stay patient and keep your contact details updated for any queries from Italian authorities. Triple check every form. Missing signatures, expired documents, or unclear information cause delays and rejections. When approved, you'll receive visas for your family. Keep all paperwork safe for travel and your records. Prepare for your family's arrival. Arrange safe housing and enroll children in local schools as soon as possible. Once your family arrives, register at your local municipality and apply for their Italian residence permits right away. With careful planning, your family's Italian journey can begin soon. Your new life together is within reach.